I am Dr. N.V. Dandavani from MeK Design Consultancy, Coimbatore. Today I would like to share with you, we are offering different courses in the form of design as well as CAE courses. Like in design, we have basic design engineer and product design engineer courses. And for CAE side, we have ANSYS structural FEA engineer as well as ANSYS FEA CFD engineers. So these courses we are offering. So in that we have two segregations. In design we have each and every technical content, because in industry is expecting without technical information regarding the drawings, they won't recruit the engineers. So particularly for diploma engineers or BE mechanical engineers, even MTech mechanical engineers is required many recruitment in outside industries. And for that we need the basic and fundamental concept about the drawings, drawing study, even applications of the software. So for that here we are teaching, or here we have a course like design courses. First we have to give the theory portions, and next we can go with the same theory portion you have to incorporate with the CAD softwares. Okay, and second we have a product design engineer. So we have a product. In that product we have to take the complete dimensions, reading and measurements, and those informations including GD&T we have to incorporate with the 3D software, and that can be converted into 2D drawings. So once if you completed this particular portion, so that engineer will become a product design engineer. Industries are asking, without the skill of technical informations and without the skill of software incorporations, nobody will recruit the engineers. If you know these informations, definitely you will get a very good job in industries, because there are many opportunities comes under CAD portions, right? So for that we are offering this course this month, coming Friday. It is 5/7/2024 we have started design courses. And similarly for ANSYS structural and CFD, this is more important, particularly for BE and MTech students. This will be very useful and support for the research and development activities, because many of the research industries, they are recruiting the people who knows that ANSYS structural side and ANSYS CFD part without basic of FEM as well as the fundamentals about engineering mechanics and strength of material. If you know this fundamental about engineering mechanics and strength of material as well as the FEM approach theoretically, then definitely you will get an opportunity in the field of CAE engineers. So these informations and these details we are giving the training for that particular portion, just like not a software. So the fundamental which is related to strength of material, those information incorporate with FEM software. So that only industry is expecting from engineers. In this also we have many opportunities is available in not only in India, even abroad also. If you have at least minimum 1 to 2 years of experience in the field of CAE, then you can definitely will get a wonder of a job. There are many opportunities available in this world, right? So this courses also we are starting the same this month, 10/7/2024. So if anybody interested, those who are studying in final year mechanical engineering, maybe diploma or BE student, or maybe somebody is some engineers maybe completed your course, 3 years course or 4 years course. If you are completed also, you are come and join and study these particular courses. And moreover, in terms of placement opportunities, we are providing a placement opportunities from MNC companies as well as small scale industries, because we are as a mechanical MeK Design Consultancy part, we are doing a consultancy projects outside. There are many industries we have a tie-up with those particular part. So those industries, they are asking many engineers. So for that only we are vigorously started for training and placement opportunities for both CAD and CAE portion. So if you are anybody interested, please contact me. We have a number in this particular videos, 97900599306, or you can mail me mekdesignconsultancy@gmail.com. Thank you.